Hello there, it's Trinity Noelle. Hey guys, so I don't know what you want to do.
Call this video a form of manifestation because
Today I'm going to be giving you a Vogue Beauty Secret, please don't sue me, a Vogue Beauty Secret style video. I love looking at them and one day I hope that I can actually be in one. So I'm giving one to you guys right now. So I just washed my face. I didn't want to wash it on camera. I actually washed my face on camera a lot with you guys because that's just something I happen to do. But for anybody who is new here, these are all I use. I use this and I use this. But since it's been a while because, you know, my slow self, excuse me, let's not call ourselves slow. For some reason, I decided that I was going to wash my face before like setting up the camera. So now my face is mad dry. This is what this baby is for. I love this. This is the Holy Grail. I use this usually after I get out the shower at night. And I also use this like on summer days when I'm not wearing makeup. Ah! Oh my gosh, I just spilled water everywhere. Okay, so it's a facial steamer, and I don't like to put on any moisturizers or anything until like I'm hydrated because it really just helps my skin. See, it comes out like that. Excuse me, I inhaled some. Okay, now that I've done that, I can actually take my scarf off. I actually don't like making videos with like my scarf or my bonnet on really because it just kind of throws off my look since my bonnets almost never match my fit. My edges look crazy, but we're going to ignore that today. We are. But now that my face is hydrated, I actually like to go in with my toner. So this is my toner. It's from The Ordinary. I love this toner. It helps me because I used to have really textured skin, and every now and then I get like texture like here and like sometimes like on my chin. It really helps with texture. And then I also have like this, but my dermatologist recommended this to me, so period. Next, I like to go in with this. It's so for like it faded off because I don't use a lot of this. But it's for dark spots. I actually want to find something else. This is the Palmer's dark spot stuff. And it worked a lot for me in the beginning, but I feel like my skin has kind of gotten used to it, so it's not working as much as it used to. Facial lotion. I actually prefer Cetaphil because it's thicker and I feel like it makes my skin more moisturized, but I got this one. And it hasn't done me wrong. It just doesn't get it in there as much, so I'm waiting for that to run out so I can buy some more. I'm just gonna waste a whole bunch of products. Like, what do I look like? I mean, I'm making this Vogue Beauty Secrets video, but child. I was wondering, baby, could I have my baby? I like to go in with facial oils. Facial oils are so nice. I got this one, and it's coconut rose. I know, I'm posing just in case I want to make that my thumbnail. I feel like my ruler just really helps. I use this one for under my eyes, though. All right. I'm gonna go wipe the excess kind of off my face. Fun fact about my eyebrows. So I actually don't have a lot of eyebrow, and I know you guys are seeing them right now. I use henna to dye my eyebrows to make it like super easy for me. So like on days that I don't want to wear makeup, I can just go out the house. Now on to the makeup part. So I keep my makeup in this pink caboodle. All babbies love pink. I got this caboodle from Target. It's so freaking cute. Oh, my eye. It opens up like this. And that's what I keep my makeup and stuff in. I have like a bigger container for makeup, but my everyday makeup, I just keep it in here. So I usually start with my eyebrows. I either do soap brows or they're kind of already filled. Let me focus. They're kind of already filled to satisfaction, but it's fun. So I just use I use eyebrow pencil and I just fill in the tail. This is more like a brownish color than like the dark brown that I like. I'm using this concealer and I just like put this, oh girl, I put this under my eyebrows to give them the shape that they want. Usually I use a brush, but today I am not using a brush. Why am I not using a brush? Because my brain was just like, don't use a brush. Honestly, I wish I could say I have like a specific routine for my eyebrows, but I literally draw on different eyebrows every single time. It's actually quite embarrassing. I use this angle brush, and then by no means am I a professional, because child, on a more daily basis, I don't even like shape my eyebrows, but I would use this brow gel. Child, I don't want to focus, but I use this brow gel. All right, now, like I said, during the summer, I don't really wear much makeup, but even during the winter, I've never been like a foundation person. I've always been thinking about trying like CC cream or something. The foundation is not for me. I don't like it. Makeup looks like makeup. Don't let anybody ever trick you into saying it doesn't look like makeup. It literally looks like it's never gonna look like skin, or I've yet to see makeup that looks like skin. A lot of these beauty influencers tell you that, oh, like, yeah, this makeup looks like it doesn't. I mean, there might be some that just may be less cakey than usual, but makeup looks like makeup. And because makeup looks like makeup, I kind of hate it. And I feel like concealer like gets those spots that aren't necessarily, because my skin can be uneven, and I feel like concealer is able to get them and look less like cakey. For the brushes, I have this one brush. It's this, oh no, it's from the Sephora collection. It's the Pro Mini 55. I've had this brush forever, it seems like. So I've had this brush forever, and I really do love it. So I'm just trying to blend this in. Anyway, yeah, like I said, concealer looks like the most like skin to me, so it's what I use. Everything else doesn't really look like skin to me. So, okay. But on a daily basis, I will use contour or bronzer. So for the bronzer, I use this bronzing kit from Ulta Beauty, and I absolutely love it. It's super, I don't remember how much it was, but I really do love it. And I like to go in with this bronzer right here. I like this bronzer too for like my chin, but it's like too dark for my cheeks. So I like use it for my I use it for my chin, my cheeks, and I use it for my forehead, but I don't really use it for anything else. So got me looking like a Dolan twin. Look at this, look at the chin. Ooh, I want to go ahead and like just bake a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this powder from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to like just place it under my eyes. I just want to make sure that my eyes stay like no creasing right here on my eyebrows, because I get the weirdest like oily spots right there. I just go in with this brush. I don't know this brush. This brush is an older brush, and I actually use a lighter color for my nose. I use these two mixed together, and I just go ahead and get that nose. I'm also making sure that I'm connecting it to my eyebrows. It really helps me look like put together when I like bring the contour up. Ooh, child. To make sure that my nose is extra good, I like to go in with this Smashbox Studio Skin, and I just go in and I redo it, but I do it, and this is more of a liquid contour. So I'm going in with this. I literally don't know what this brush is either. This is for powder blending. This is for wet or liquid blending. I don't like wet, but yeah. So I just use this to blend this area, and I draw a line, trying to get that as straight as possible. And I'm using my beauty blender to like blend that out. I just use like a fluffy brush. This is the fluffy brush I'm using. I got it from a kit. It's for eyeshadow. I like to go in with my James Charles palette. I usually like to use transition shades. So I'm gonna go in with this brown, and I'm just putting this like here, and then I'm dragging the product over. And I'm taking another brush. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And I take like a little bit of a lighter color, and I just, well, if I could find the lighter color, that'd be great. Oh, here it is. So I take a lighter color and I put that like here, and I just make sure to get it, to give it like a little bit of like transition. So I'm going in with this like highlight. Oh my gosh, this highlight is so pretty. And I put it like right in my inner corner. Look how pretty that is. That is so gorgeous. So now that's done, I'm taking my fluffy brush, and I'm just getting off the powder. And with this, oh, hold the phone. Hold 1 second because my battery's dying. All right, so now that I've kind of like blended the powders into my face, I'm gonna go in with this cream blush in the color Daiquiri Drip by Miss Robin Fenty. And I like to just put my finger in, and I like to go in like an upwards motion. And I do the same here, and I put a little bit on my temples because it helps you look younger. And I go ahead and blend that with this same brush. I use this brush for literally everything. I don't even know if that's good. So lastly, I'm going to go in with this matte finish by NYX. Sorry, that scared me. I just realized I didn't tie my hair. Okay. And I totally forgot to put primer on. But this is the primer that I use. But I totally forgot to put primer on. I usually wear lashes, but I am taking a break from lashes for now because they low-key be killing me. So I'm going in with this Benefit Their Real.
Loving the way you be trying to play out the game. I tried to slide it.
Ciao. Now I am going to go in with this brown liner. I forgot what shade this was in. This is in Diamond Milk. And I'm just putting it on my lips. Okay, and then lastly, like to finish it all off, I'm putting on my fake nose piercing because my parents are so rude. But my 16th birthday is coming up, so hopefully they let me get my nose pierced. But until then, we gonna be rocking it with the fakie. We gonna be rocking it with the fakie. That is it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. It's kind of like a different video for me, but I like really enjoy doing this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more content like this. And I will see you guys in my next one.